are keeping, aren't you? Eh?
Taking a video?
Mm.
Oh. She's literally hugging it. Sorry.
Oh, sorry, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, be my guest.
She likes it. She likes it.
She does as well, yeah. Sebby, we need to be careful here. She may destroy it. He may destroy it. They're both males, by the way.
Just because it said it works on the thing, and it said. Alex plate because it has a small plate.
Yeah, it looks like it's had the dogs. It's been eating the dog food, doesn't it? You know, it's had its. It looks like it's had its meal and decided to lay on the table.
Mhm. Imagine if that was actually filled with water.
Yeah. Have its tail in there. Oh, want to play with the phone as well?
Whoa. Whoa. Is that purr or a bad purr?
That's just the purr.
Four.
Yes. So which one was it? This is.
This is not white spot. That is not white spot. Not white spot.
Oh, I just wish it was a black cat.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm superstitious, aren't I?
Yeah. Everything's staring at her.
Oh.
Oh, here it is.
Nice kitty.
It looks a label more than a fish. Oh, perfect shot. Basketball.
Yeah. Blimey.
I'm going to push in. Whoa. That's how she kills a mouse. If this was a mouse, that would be dead.
Oh yeah.
Dead. I could escape if she threw it. Oh, did you see that? I was like, oh.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Did I tell you my favourite animal is a tiger?
Oh no.
My second favourite happens to be a wolf.
I've got wolf shoes, I think.
Wow. Whoops.
Perfect catch.
Oh,
Long footage.
could watch this all day, couldn't I?
Yeah.
All night.
I don't know if the smell wears off because I didn't see.
I'm sure it realises it's a real fish. Not a real fish, I mean.
Yeah, probably. Whoa. Is that oh, weird water in it. You gonna play with it?
I think she's had enough. Have you had enough? Ooh, blimey. Yeah.
Whoa.
It's gone now.
Is it gone?
Enough's enough. Speak soon, everyone.